In the Tao Yin Qigong, I emphasize the benefits of self-massage. Okay, for example, patting on your body. But how about head? Circulation to the head using comb. The quality of comb is very important. My suggestion is to use natural materials comb. For example, wood, this one is from wood, or the jade, yard, or the horn from the animals. Okay, and so these are healthy materials and the natural materials as well. So you only need to is combing from the front to the back. When you combing front to the back, actually you stimulate the blood circulation under your on your membrane and from the front. And then left to right or right to left, which side you begin, it doesn't matter. You have two sides anyway. And then afterward is from the back to the front. With the demo, I only do very short. What else can this comb do? For example, the neck. So having a comb in your handbag, that's very handy, okay? And I will never really regain the black color back to my hair, but at least I can keep good conditions of the quality of my hair. This is Mei Lan. Wish you all a very pleasant day. Today is going to be very hot, today and tomorrow. So don't forget to drink more water.